If you wake up every morning and you feel like your life is stuck on repeat, same scroll, same Insta, same reels, same, कल से start करूँगी, then stop right there. Don't skip this video because in the next 6 minutes I am going to give you the real roadmap to rebuild your life in 6 months. Or nahi, this is not same. Wake up 5 a.m. Read 10 pages book daily. No fake motivational content because ये real system मैंने खुद apply किया है अपने life में. So let's go into it. Okay, so first let's talk about why we feel stuck. Most of us we react in two ways. Either we feel overthink too much that we feel completely praise, comparison, anxiety, everyone ahead of me. Or we go full escape mode, Insta scroll, YouTube shorts scroll, and telling ourselves, I will fix my life tomorrow. Honestly, both are traps. The real fix isn't more motivation or more guilt. Its diagnosis. Just like a doctor prescribe medicine without testing, you can fix your life random productivity hacks without first understanding what actually broken. Step 1, 20-minute life audit. So step 1, grab your note app or diary and make 3 simple columns like this. A stands for career and skill, B stands for relationship and environment, C stands for mind and body. So in career, ask yourself, where am I actually stuck? In relationship, ask yourself, who is draining my energy and who is actually adding value? Or in third one, mind and body, ask yourself, am I mentally or physically exhausted right now? Just write one honest line under each. That's it. This sounds too simple, which is exactly most people skip this. But trust me, once your problem written down on your paper, instead of floating in your head at night, they instantly feel more smaller and more solvable. This is literally the same techniques top performers, students, and successful people use to cut through mental clutter. Now, here's where most people mess up. They make a 6-month plan that's run purely on motivation. But motivation is like a matchstick. It's light up fast and dies out even faster. What you need is actually system. System increase, motivation down. So break your 6 month into two 90-day sprint formula. Sprint 1, month 1 to 3, foundation. Focus on one skill or one habit, not five. No, I will do everything at once. If you are a student, try to build your career. Pick one relevant skill, either coding, writing, editing, whatever you want, whatever align with where you want to go. Stop overthink what else should I learn and just commit to one thing. Now, sprint to month 4 to now whatever you learned and put it out into the world. A portfolio or a resume or a report or a project. Anything that's proof you have actually grown. This is the step 90% of people skip this because they are scared of being judged. But without output, your growth stay invisible, not just to others but to opportunities too. Let me give you a real example. Assume a college student who kept saying, यार मेरी लाइफ में तो कुछ मूव ही नहीं हो रहा, सब लोग आगे निकल रहे हैं. But I told her, you are not asking for your growth, you are asking for permission. Leave your comfort zone. And now she finally took the risk. Instead of just attending random classes, she picked up one skill and gave it full 6 months. The point is, rebuilding your life isn't just a overnight transformation. It's one slightly uncomfortable decision. Repeat with consistency. Here is a small but powerful mental model. Just like when you are learning a new skill, you make mistakes and learn from them. Treat your life like a feedback loop, not a perfection loop. That means every week ask yourself two simple questions. Did I make a little progress this week? This simple reflect lets you course correct constantly without guilty, without burning out. This is literally the difference between two people. People who genuinely transform in 6 months, and people who just keep trying forever without any real direction. So let's do a quick recap. 1. Do a life audit. 3. Honest column, no fill. Break your 6 month into two sprint. Sprint 1, one skill and one focus. And the sprint 2 is about creating visible output, even if it scares you. 4th, follow the feedback loop. Progress over perfection always. This isn't a magic formula. It is a system that genuinely works if you actually follow it. If this video gave you even a little clarity, drop a comment below with your one biggest stuck point right now. Could be your career, could be your confidence, could be your habits. I will personally reply your comment as many as I can do. And if you want more real, no fluff content on growth, productivity, and figuring out on your 20s, hit subscribe because in the next video we are breaking down exactly how to put your output out there without overthinking or fearing judgment. So see you in the next video. Until then, do your audit and just move forward. Bye.